Howard University's Department of English and the AI Task Force present Shaping the Future Artificial Intelligence Virtual Symposium. Why does AI matter in education? How can you understand AI pedagogy? How can you implement AI into your curriculum? What are the high impact practices in artificial intelligence? Join us October 31st, 2024, Shaping the Future Artificial Intelligence Virtual Symposium. Featuring panel presentations by HU's AI Task Force MLA 4C's workshops, presentations, and a keynote address by Dr. Sidney Dorbin. Howard University College of Arts and Sciences, Department of English. We welcome you to join us. For more information, please contact Monique.Akassi at howard.edu. Thank you.